world of textiles is vast and fascinating. Wool and animal hair felts stand out as versatile and enduring materials. Felts are non-woven fabrics made by matting, condensing, and pressing fibers together. Wool, primarily from sheep, is the most common fiber used in felt making. Other animal hairs such as alpaca, cashmere, mohair, and angora are also used. This inherent versatility makes wool and animal hair felts suitable for a wide range of applications. The transformation of loose fibers into a cohesive felt material involves a fascinating process. The first step is preparing the fibers. This involves cleaning and sorting the raw wool or animal hair. Once cleaned, the fibers are carded to align them. Next comes the felting process. Traditionally, this was done by hand using water, soap, and agitation. Modern production uses industrial machinery to speed up the process. The final product is a durable and versatile felt material. This session is brought to you by NavaTies, your ultimate destination for all things about international trade. Whether you're looking to learn about global trade or need assistance with imports and exports, NavaTies has got you covered. Visit navaties.com to register for free today and unlock a world of opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. The unique properties of wool and animal hair felts make them suitable for a surprisingly diverse range of applications spanning both domestic and industrial sectors. In homes, felts are commonly found in everyday items. Their warmth and softness make them ideal for clothing, blankets, and slippers. Felts are also popular in home decor, used for cushions, rugs, wall hangings, and even lampshades. Their acoustic properties make them useful for soundproofing, while their ability to absorb moisture makes them suitable for coasters and placemats. Beyond the home, felts play a crucial role in various industries. Their durability and resilience make them ideal for industrial applications such as gaskets, seals, and filters. In the automotive industry, felts are used for insulation, sound dampening, and vibration control. Their ability to absorb impact makes them suitable for packaging delicate items. Additionally, felts are used in musical instruments, particularly pianos, where they are essential components of the hammers that strike the strings. The global trade for wool and animal hair felts is currently valued at approximately USD 85.8 million, with fluctuations over the past 5 years ranging between USD 62.8 and USD 85.8 million. The current trade volume is around 9,500 tons, having ranged between 4,500 tons and 9,500 tons during the same period. The average price per kilogram is 9 USD. The top importers of wool and animal hair felts are USA, Italy, Germany, Japan, United Kingdom, China, France, Turkey, Switzerland, and Canada, while the leading exporters are Germany, China, Spain, Italy, India, USA, Mexico, Japan, Canada, and Netherlands. India is a key exporter in this market, with current exports valued at USD 5.5 million, supplying approximately 528 tons globally at an average price of USD 10 per kilogram, which is same as the world average. India holds a 6.48% market share by value and a 5.57% market share by quantity. Over the last 5 years, India's market share has ranged from 5.92% to 7.67%, generating revenues between USD 4.5 million and USD 6 million. So, if you are looking to import wool and animal hair felts at better rates and better quality, India should be your destination for procurement. While this is about India's trade, you can generate more reports for wool and animal hair felts trade about any country directly on the NavaTies platform. The market for wool and animal hair felts is constantly evolving, driven by changing consumer preferences, technological advancements, and sustainability concerns. One notable trend is the growing demand for natural and sustainable materials. Consumers are increasingly seeking eco-friendly alternatives to synthetic textiles, and wool felts being biodegradable and renewable, fit the bill perfectly. Another trend is the rising popularity of handcrafted and artisanal goods. This has led to a resurgence of interest in traditional felting techniques, with artisans creating unique and high-quality felt products. The use of technology in felt production is also on the rise. Digital printing technologies allow for intricate designs and patterns to be printed directly onto felts, opening up new possibilities for customization and personalization. How can NavaTies help you explore the global trade of wool and animal hair felts? NavaTies provides comprehensive country facts and in-depth market research on the global wool and animal hair felts trade. It offers you detailed insights into top countries that import wool and animal hair felts based on various parameters. Further, you can use our business ecosystems to meet business owners who belong to the silk and textiles, or access our world directory of companies, trade, and government bodies, which you can use to improve your export or import business. Click the link in the description and download the detailed report on global wool and animal hair felts trade, or visit navaties.com. In summary, wool and animal hair felts have come a long way from their ancient origins. These versatile materials continue to find new applications in various industries and aspects of our lives. As we move towards a more sustainable future, natural and renewable materials like wool felts are poised to play an even more significant role. The global trade of these felts connects producers and consumers worldwide, fostering economic growth and cultural exchange. By embracing sustainable practices, innovation, and ethical sourcing, the wool and animal hair felt industry can thrive while minimizing its environmental impact and ensuring the well-being of animals and people involved in the supply chain. From cozy garments to industrial components, wool and animal hair felts, with their unique blend of tradition and innovation, remain an indispensable part of our material world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.